Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use overlays on CapCut. And to do that, you're just going to open up a project and select a video and then press overlay and press add overlay. And you are going to select the overlay you want to put on it and then press add, resize the overlay. And then after that, I'm just going to go to splice and choose the one that suits the video the best. I either choose lighten or filter, so let's just see. And that is basically how you can use overlays on CapCut. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!